FATF requirements to choke finances of banned organizations open door for state to further strangulate civil society organizations instead of curbing activities of banned outfits under charity. Labeled just like behind the facade of a UN resolution, the fundamental rights of employees of National Command Authority were curbed. This has been stated by Senator Farhatullah Babar at a seminar on FATF in the Pakistan Institute of Parliamentary Services (PIP). During its recent visit, the FATF delegation found Pakistan deficient in 4 areas, namely supervision of anti-money laundering law, illicit cross-border movement of currency, for investigation and prosecution and non-implementation of UNSC resolutions 1267 that also lists Hafiz Saeed. Despite Parliament enacting the law, the state has not moved to ban proscribed outfits from reappearing, as is evident from the re-emerge of lead under different names, he said. We have to deal with the Mumbai mayhem, which requires facing the truth. He said that pertinent facts about Mumbai attack were well known as a result of investigations, but progress in the case has been stalled by dilatory tactics by the defendants, frequent change of trial judges, assassination of prosecutor, retracting from original testimony by some key witnesses. He said and asked why. The real issue is not enacting laws but implementation of laws, and it required political will and coming out of the denial mode. Farhatullah Babar said that it was necessary to regulate NGOs. It should be done through legislation instead of an arbitrary one-liner executive order saying that state agencies had rejected the request. Mr. I.A. Rahman, Secretary General HRCP, Justice Chauhan, Chairman NCHR, Zafarullah Khan, Executive Director PIPS, Ramona Khorshid Alam MNA, Senator Saifan M. Iqbal DG NAFTA also addressed the seminar.